watching this video, then this video is for you, because I have manifested that this video only reaches to the people who needs to see this. And this video is very, very interesting, and we will see the person you have in your mind, what are their thoughts, what are their hidden agenda, what messages they are trying to send you. And we will use, a lot of oracle decks with romance and love, so that we can understand the situation. Because I do have a message, it's coming to my subconscious energy, that whatever person that you are thinking, or whatever person that you guys are dealing, has a lot of has a lot of messages to tell you, but they are not telling you. They are just being shy, or we will just see if that is a twin flame, soulmate, a karmic relationship, a toxic ex, whatever it is. So meanwhile, when I'm shuffling the cards, I will request you and encourage you to connect with that person's energy, and make sure you just think about one person, because multiple people will will make you confused, and this reading is actually about clarity, not any more confusion. So just take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, relax your third eye, and just just try to connect with the person's energy. And we will see first, who is this person for you. One more card. Okay, what is bottom of deck? Ooh, transformation, tower, realization, life change, liberation. Interesting. We have these cards. So this is the Magician, manifestation, empowerment, and preparedness. Eight of Fire, speed, activity, multitasking. Very nice. I do have a feeling, you must have thought some two people in your brain, two person in your brain, and now that all came in the cards. Eight of Air, self-doubt, confusion, and free will. Nine of Earth, very nice. Contentment, luxury, independence. And Four of Air, meditation, contemplation. Very nice as a spread. And the transformation card, I'm feeling, you were dealing with some toxic ex who betrayed you, who cheated you, who ghosted you, who didn't even bother answering you, and you just took some time to move on. Like Eight of Air is giving me that vibe. You took some time, and it was like, I can't invest more time in this sort of a relationship, because that relationship actually gave you a lot of self-doubt, a lot of confusion. It killed your free will, but you took some time to come out of that relationship. But now I can feel that you are feeling very content, very independent. You're working on yourself. If this energy resonates with you, then this is the reading. Otherwise, don't force the reading for you, because I can see there is a change from past relationship, and now I can actually see that there are a lot of people that are coming to you, but you are in your single fun energy, just having the tea by your own self, enjoying your company. But I can feel there are many people that are viewing you. Yeah, how many people you have thought? I said one. Like, energies are my brain is like, so many people are talking inside it. But with Magician card, I think now in that contentment energy, the Nine of Earth energy is actually giving you the power of being the musician, the power of manifestation, the power of empowering yourself. Because with Nine of Earth, it is giving that you took some time to work on yourself, and you have worked on yourself, and now I think you are very, very ready to being in a new relationship. Or if somebody is trying to date you, I think you will take some time at this moment. Like, you will go on a date or whatever, but you will take some time to trust people, because with Eight of Air, you literally made walls, around you. Yeah, and that actually that wall helped you to self-love yourself, feel very good within yourself, because that old relationship made you realize that this is not for you. That relationship was not for you, the past relationship. And there is definitely a new person coming, and I think that person is already in your energy. But you are very much self-focused, so you are not bothered about that. But that person actually likes you a lot. Yeah, that person likes you a lot. So let's see, who is this person? First we'll just see from this oracle deck that what sort of relationship is now coming for you, because I think the previous one was more karmic, was more pushing you to the edges. You were the only one doing efforts, calling, texting messages, and that person was not even investing even 1% of it. So I want to see, I really want to see the energies, because I can feel a lot of people's energy right now, because I can feel that there are people looking at you, trying to get your attention, but you are in your own era, own energy. But the new energy which is coming for you, the new person, because we have Magician number 1, what sort of a relationship it is? Yeah, as I said, previous relationship, no contact, blocked, silent treatment, cut off all the communications, and now you have become high value, Empress, beautiful, sexy, abundant. Ooh, yeah. I was actually trying to get the cards for the new person, but it is still coming in the energy, with the transformation card. There was a lot of silent treatment, there was a lot of a communication which was you were trying to figure out in your own head, and which is actually not good in any sort of a relationship. It took some time for you to understand your own value, and you have become high value women, men, because tarot is not gender biased, so this is energy. You are very confident, that is why you are attracting a lot of people. You are attracting a lot of people with 8 of fire. I can feel people around you feel that fiery energy. Spotlight, limelight, audience, self-absorbed. Yeah, you are, you, even if you are in a party, yeah, because with this I can see, even if you are in party, you know how to, take spotlight, even if you are not the chief guest or the guest. Because you are so confident, you are so abundant, you are so beautiful, because you start loving yourself. You understood, that any relationship is worthless if you don't love yourself. If you start hating yourself in a relationship, that relationship is not for you. Yeah, and the past relationship has taught you so many things. That first, love yourself. Who is this new person coming for my viewers with the card Magician? And I think with the new person, they like you just because you are very confident. You know your worth. And this person, that is why they are attracted to you. Not like the previous partner of yours, which was, making you self-doubt your skills, putting you in self-doubt, killing your free will. But the next person is coming for you just because they see you very high valued. Okay, one more shuffle, and I want to save this person's energy. Did you break up with somebody when you got to know their truth? Because with this card it came out controversy, drama, scandal, truth coming out. That is why it's a no contact situation with cut off all the communications. Yeah, with transformation card, it does make sense that you took the step, and you know, you just killed that relationship. He was like, I am the only one holding you know, the relationship just by myself, and I'm done doing that. But at the bottom of the deck, it is coming dating, new love options back on the market. Back on the market. And you are high value women or men, abundant, sexy, handsome, beautiful, and back on the market. Can I say anything else? Can I say anything else? And the person that see you or like you, they like you just because you know your worth. You know your worth. You know your worth. Yeah. That is why they started, you know, liking you. Because this person is, I can feel the energy, you know, now. The specific person who came to you and asked you certain things in a very round way. You know, I think you know this person. They have a way of talking. And it's very, you know, under the bottle, in the bottle, you know, like a message. You have to, you know, open the bottle to understand the message. And they actually are very mysterious. With Magician card, with Magician card, they are very mysterious. They are very skillful. You might have, you know, met this person in a party, or you will meet this person in a party, you know, clubbing, by friends, or they will send you a message, you know, Instagram, or like, you know, they will just come in your DM and say, hi, you're very beautiful. You know, they might just comment on your photo, like, hi beautiful, hi handsome, like that, you know. These cards are all flipped. Yeah, this is very interesting. And I can see you dating this person. Yeah, I can see you dating this person, because this person does not kill your free will. This person actually, you know, this person will actually support your freedom. Hiding their true feelings, deep emotion, currently in love, cold and detached. With the message card, it does make sense. I was just telling you that, you know, you have to open the bottle to understand the message. They have bottled their energy. And it could be possible that they have a toxic ex just like yours. That is why, you know, they are also taking their time. They are observing you. They are you know, questioning that whether this time their decision or your decision is correct. So I think taking time in this relationship is very, very important, whomsoever person you are thinking about it. And it's a very good energy, because with the Magician and 8 of Fire and 9 of Earth, I can feel, you know, you guys will have a lot of things in common, and the communication will be very, very clear. Right now it's little bit you know, hidden, but yeah, one more card and then we will see some other oracle deck. Yeah. And I think I am also getting a message that they are part of a spotlight. That is why they are part of a spotlight. That is why, you know, they think about so many things, that, you know, should they ask you out, should they not ask you out, you know, so many questions are there in their head. Yeah. Will you know, asking you out will create a controversy. Yeah, because spotlight actually giving me a big circle, big friendship, big friend circle, big career circle. And with 8 of Fire, it is coming, you know, the multitasker as a person. So this person would be very well skilled. Yeah, with Magician, I can, you know, just getting the feeling of that this person knows what they are doing, and this person is very masculine. Girl or a boy, does not matter. Very positive energy. Could be into martial arts. could have, you know, so many awards and prizes with Spotlight. It does make sense. Are you guys dating some celebrity? Please let me know in the comment section, because with Magician card it is coming that, yeah, somebody who knows what they're doing. And Nine of Earth is your energy. Yeah, the X card is still coming up again. Yeah, I think you guys, I think you have moved on, but they are still taking their time. Yeah, I think they are still taking their time, and they will, they want to make sure that this time they don't get their heart hurt. They are not giving you an answer. They are like very hiding their true feelings. I'm gonna take one card. Love affair. Secrecy, third party. Hooking up. Toxic love. Drama, addictions, love and hate relationship. Yeah, I was saying that either you are, I'm not getting that energy from you, but I think from them I'm getting that energy that they are still hung up on their ex. And when they see you, they do come out of that energy. But you guys also have been on the same journey, so it takes time to move on from toxic person or toxic people or toxic relationship, because it just creates a lot of self-doubt in us. And that is why it takes a lot of time from it's like building from scratch, building our self-confidence from scratch. Love messages from my viewers partner. For my viewers, love messages, because we understood they like you, they see you very high valued. You take the spotlight whenever you are them. You take the spotlight whenever you are near them. And this is the card that came out, burning bright spotlight. I was talking about spotlight, and see, burning bright like a sun. You are their sunshine. Intimacy, spark, warmth, passion to keep the flame and love alive. I think, yeah, and I think taking time is actually bringing more passion to this relationship than jumping, just making it a love affair, hooking up and all those things. They want to take their time to understand you, to observe you. And I think you should also do that if you are feeling little impulsive about knowing their feelings. Fan the flames, doing what it takes to keep the passion alive. Renewal, romance, care. Yes, again, the flame, like fine energy so much. You guys will have a passionate love. This is truth, true acceptance. Find strength in unique views and grow together. Rare, enhance, and thrive. As I said, this relationship, the next relationship of yours, the person you are thinking about will not suck your energy, will actually support you, will actually, provide good guidance, will not be somebody who will give you a silent treatment, who will not make you think in your own head, who will not actually give you a point where you will self-doubt yourself. And I think they want the same from you. And I think you are ready in the way, but they are taking their time because they want to, they are actually renewing themselves, resetting their whole toxic relationship. Winding roads, having a long way or go or take many detours. Many loves complicated. Yes, as I said that they are so much in the complication with the ex, and because ex card came twice, so it is like that. And I think that is why they are taking so much of time to share that feeling with you, because nor they want to hurt their heart, or nor they want to hurt you. Adventure, having new experiences, making new friends, travel and change plan. It might be possible that you guys are in the same friends group, as I said, with the spotlight. And you may have in future travel plans, like distance, you guys just take a travel to meet each other at at a mutual decided place. Challenges that create space between us. Long haul, out of touch. Or yeah, you might just think about planning a trip together that will actually make you guys more connected to each other. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But there is a lot of fire energy, and fire energy is basically an energy which renew us, reset everything. And this person is very romantic, I can see. Very adventurous and very romantic. See these cards. Like, these two people are watching, fireworks, standing very close to fire, yeah, this person is very romantic, but very, they're hiding their true feelings. Yeah. They like adventure, they like traveling. So, yeah, I think there is a possibility, a talk of a travel, or it could be a hint that they will start talking about travel, travel plans suddenly. I'm sure this video is gonna be very, very long, but these are their messages. Because in starting, that person was not even trying to even send you a message. Like, I was shuffling the cards so many times, and I think now they are coming in their energy and trying to tell you their messages. Heartbreak is part of the human experience. It will pass. Yes, both of you have been felt the heartbreak. You have healed. They are taking their time, because with Magician card, I think they are very stable. They are very stable. They won't do anything in an impulsive way, but they do see you very high value. Like, they want to date you. They want to date you. Any more messages from dressing up? They like your dressing sense. An opportunity to dress up, party, fun times ahead. As I said with the spotlight and the start of the video, that you, if this is a new person, you might be meeting them in a party. You will be dressed up in a nice gown if you are a woman, or you'll be dressed up in a very nice suit. Or if you already know this person, whatever you are whomsoever you are thinking about, they like your dressing sense. Yeah, they like your dressing sense. They like your hair, how you do your hair. Interesting. Or with the dating message, I just got a message that they might be literally asking you out on a date, because this is the month of February. And with the travel card, yeah, it could be possible. And we already have 2 cards. Bottom of the deck, Star. Your hope and optimism are a powerful love magnet for you right now. Manifest your partner right now. These 2 cards. Secret. Something is hidden from you. Someone isn't being truthful. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you, angels. Thank you, angels. Together, finding joy and simple pleasure of being just together. And wow. Like, in these pictures, if you see, they are so close to each other, like very intimate. And it's not that, weird intimacy. It's like very romantic intimacy. Like, see? Very interesting. This person sees you very high value. You both have your share of heartbreak. You have healed yourself, but they are trying to heal. And this person is very they're trying to be optimistic with you. Whenever you guys talk, if you guys are in talking terms, or if this is a new person, then you will have a very fun, loving conversation with them. And you both like adventures, you both like traveling, you both like taking a long travels. Yeah. And if you have blocked somebody, just let them be blocked, because you don't want to go back to the same ex, toxic ex, because it's gonna just bring drama in your life, scandal, and more truth coming out. So that's not a good thing to even go forward. because that partner or your ex or your toxic partner actually, you know, sucked a lot of energy from you, made you self-doubt your own self. So yeah, if you're thinking about your ex, then I'm not getting a feeling that your ex is trying to come back. They could just send you a message, but it's up to you. But even from your energy, I'm not feeling, because of nine of earth. It is giving me a a moment to think that you have moved on. If this energy resonates with you, let me know in the comment section. Claim this energy, because this, especially these two cards, are very very interesting. It is actually, you know, reflecting your new love that is coming for you, your new partner, somebody whom you can, you know, just sit and talk about life. But right now they are hiding their true feelings, but these are their true feelings. They are trying to find the strength to come to you. They want to date you. They see you very high valued, high worth person, very confident. They see you very adventurous, and I think they do want to have adventure with you in any sort of a way, if you understand. But coming from dark to light, from tower moment to, you know, to flame, so it's like bringing light, from tower to magician. So you already have your, you know, share of heartbreak. So don't to think too much about it. There is a new beginning coming for you with number one. A lot of messages, a lot of people are sending you a message, a lot of people are asking you on date, but you have your person in your mind. Just manifest it. That person is also manifesting you. So this is the energy for you. If this video resonated with you, let me know in the comment section, and share with somebody who needs it. Subscribe to my channel, Mysticism with Mansi, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.